Why is Food for Life Global plant-based? People often ask why Food for Life Global programs serve a plant-based diet. The following points briefly summarize the virtually countless reasons for adopting a plant-based diet. Health. A plant-based diet has been shown to lower the risk for many chronic diseases, such as obesity, coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes, as well as cancer of the colon, breast, prostate, stomach, lung, and esophagus. A plant-based diet can also ease symptoms of menopause and provide relief from several digestive ailments. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control, 76 million people are affected by foodborne illness each year. Although it's possible for any food to be contaminated, the most frequent and severe cases of foodborne illness come from meat and other animal products. Studies at Yale University and elsewhere have shown that anywhere from 5 to 30% of people diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease actually had Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, the human form of BSE, commonly known as mad cow disease. While no smoking gun has yet been found to link Alzheimer's to mad cow disease, there is ample evidence that Alzheimer's, CJD, and BSE are similar in their origins and in progression. Furthermore, according to Dr. Lawrence Boxmeyer of MedAmerica Research, the risk of developing Alzheimer's is 3 times greater for meat eaters than for vegetarians. Environment. The FAO report by the United Nations in 2006 stated unequivocally that factory farming of animals for meat production has a bigger impact on global warming than all the planes, trains, buses, and cars on the planet combined. Raising animals for meat consumes massive quantities of water. According to the article, How Our Food Choices Can Help Save the Environment by Dr. Stephen Boyan, eliminating just 1 pound of beef from one's diet can save as much water as could be saved by foregoing showers entirely for 6 months. Runoff from factory farms containing chemicals and animal waste, one of the greatest threats to water quality today, has polluted more than 173,000 miles of rivers and streams in the United States, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. World hunger. Meat production is an expensive and inefficient use of food resources. According to John Robbins in Diet for a New America, the grain required to feed livestock in America for 1 day is enough to provide every person on earth with 2 loaves of bread. The fact is, more people can be fed on a plant-based diet than a diet containing meat and dairy. Spirituality. Switching to a plant-based diet is good for the soul as well as the body. In making the change, we forego our inefficient consumption of scarce resources by eating grain-fed factory-farmed animals, and we also condemn the cruel and inhumane practice of raising animals in abhorrent conditions to feed our taste for meat. A plant-based diet causes the least amount of harm and suffering to other living things. And certainly, this is good for the soul. It's easy. Nothing could be simpler than fresh fruits and vegetables from the earth's bounty. And as we become more aware of the negative impacts a meat-based diet has on the environment, our personal health, and world hunger, plant-based alternatives are becoming more visible and widely available in the marketplace. Even some fast food restaurants now offer vegan and vegetarian menu items. It's less expensive. With the quantity of food needed by Food for Life projects around the world, it is just good sense to use ingredients that are not only healthier, but will also maximize every dollar we spend. On average, Food for Life can feed a complete meal to a hungry child for as little as 30 cents. Such low costs would not be possible if Food for Life served meat products. If you like our project and want to get involved or sponsor our vegan meal distribution, visit ffl.org.